So hi guys, it's me, Play-by-Play of Max. So today is a video about Boris. I'm just kidding, I got Bendy! So ready, open this guys. So, what I'm doing is I got a little something from my best friend from my school. He's called Ryden. He got this at Hot Topic. So he got me a Bendy Funko Pop, and he also got a Funko Pop for himself, and I got one too. So ready to open this, guys? So guys, I got this Bendy Funko Pop, so we're ready to open it. So bye. Let me know. Don't do it. So here we go. Or actually, you guys see me unbox it. Boom. Bendy! He has a little twistable head. And also his Boris does, too. But Boris's head is a little bit sticky. But Bendy's head, not. Okay. Oh, hey, I'm looking backwards. So yeah, he can do that. So bye, YouTubers. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and tell me whatever you want me to get next. Bye.